Traveling the world through spices and people. Can it be any tastier? Join me on a beautiful culinary adventure every week right here on AUMcuisine. Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of AUMcuisine. We are going to be detoxing. And as you might have seen, a big trend now in the health world is that of adding activated charcoal to cleanse your body and rid it of toxic substances. Now, I really like this brand from Enzymedica. It's called Purity and it's made out of coconuts, this particular coconut charcoal. So let me tell you how to put this together. It's super easy to do. So we're going to be putting in some lemon juice. That's the juice of about 3 lemons, okay? And remember that whenever you use activated charcoal, you don't want to be putting it into an acidic juice. So lemons, even though they are a citric fruit, are still not acidic to the body and it is alkaline. So the activated charcoal is best absorbed into your body and into your digestive system when it is with a non-acidic juice. So then here we have 2 capsules of the activated charcoal, and this particular one is food grade. And you just have to get past the black color of it, really, and it's super good for you. But also remember that you should never be having the activated charcoal within an hour of when you're eating, because it absorbs everything and takes it through the body. So it does its job, it takes everything out of the body. So all of the good nutrients is also going to leave. So if you want to have like a proper activated charcoal lemonade, you just need it with 3 simple ingredients: the activated charcoal, the lemon juice, and I'm going to be adding in some maple syrup. So I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Now, it's not a good idea to do this more than twice or thrice a week. And if you are on medication, you want to talk to your physician about it, because when you take this particular drink, the medication can also leave your body. So be very clear about all of these things before you start doing it. So I'm going to be putting in some Essentia water for this. And this is it's called the overachieving water, and I love drinking this water. So that is a really, really good thing. And that's it. I'm just going to stir it up and do a little taste test. Now remember that the activated charcoal does lots of beautiful things for you. But just make sure that you do not keep drinking this every single day. 2 or 3 times a week maximum, because you don't really want to get constipated. Having too much charcoal in your body can be overly constipating. And also, do not mix it with other things. Do not mix it with like a coconut water or anything. Just a simple way of doing it. 3 ingredients, that's it. So there I go. To me, it tastes like lemonade because it's just a teeny weeny bit of activated charcoal. Now, if you don't want to be so adventurous and do the black lemonade, just pop 2 pills of this. So it is super good for you. But if you are pregnant or about to be pregnant, or if you are breastfeeding, you definitely do want to talk to your doctor about this. But it's a fabulous everyday cleanse that your body would love, even if you do it just 2 or 3 times a week. Have a beautiful and healthy life, and here's to your detoxification. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine, this is Priyanka.